He found something strange in the robot charging area. There is a reflective area directly in front of the number 206 charging station. The man walked over and found that the steel plate had been ground into a mirror. Can robots really break the rules set by humans and look in the mirror? When he was wondering, a robot came in and prepared to charge. The man looked carefully and saw that its number was exactly repairman number 206. He gave up charging and turned away. The man was stunned for several seconds before he remembered to chase after him. The repairman had already walked into the tunnel. Before leaving, he turned his head and looked up. After a brief look at each other, he quickened his pace and left. Mike chased into the tunnel and found smoke coming out of a door. It turned out that the repairman had welded the iron door shut. He could only move forward along the tunnel in the hope of finding the area that the door led to. Soon he reached the tunnel exit. Outside was a dangerous slum. Once he entered, he was no longer protected by the company. He found a homeless body in the garbage dump. Suddenly, several bullets came. Mike tried to identify himself but was ignored by the soldier on guard. Everyone outside the city is considered an enemy. He rushed into the abandoned container with all his strength and was temporarily out of danger. But he didn't expect the repairman to be hiding here. He turned his mechanical head to look at the box in his hand. Mike wanted to know what was inside. The repairman didn't answer. He knocked over the gasoline beside him and started the welding gun. In order to hide the secret of the box, the robot actually violated the rules and hurt itself. This made Mike incomprehensible. When humans designed robots, they wrote obedience into the underlying code. How could he possibly disobey orders? The repairman was taken back to the laboratory. The engineer didn't believe anything Mike said, because the code would not go wrong. He took out the burnt box and found some sensor parts and a nuclear battery. Although this is a rare material, but it is useless for robots. Once this battery is installed, the core of the robot will be burned by the huge energy. The engineer connected him to the maintenance circuit. The damaged core was forced to restart. The repairman gained temporary life. Mike quickly asked what this battery was used for. He also wanted to know who modified him, and why did he burn himself with gasoline. 206 suddenly short-circuited, accompanied by 2 lines of oil flowing out of the eyes. The core of the machine was damaged.